Hey guys, just a disclaimer. I don't know what it is about this video in particular. I think it may be the weird camera angles, but the only way this video is watchable is on a bigger screen. Because on a phone, for some reason, it just clips out and stuff. You'll see what I mean in a moment. So I would recommend seeing this on a TV or a bigger monitor or laptop. But without that being said, it is a fun video to see, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Hey guys, how's it going? This isn't going to be a normal video, but since it's going to be such a big ordeal, I decided that I'd just make a video about it. Today I'm going to be building my new PC. Well, not today, but in the next week. But for you guys, it's just going to be one shoot, all that shit. But today is Saturday, the 16th. How do I turn this shit around? Okay, so as you guys see, I got a couple boxes in today. Well, yesterday and today. I'm basically going to be making a new computer completely. Right here is my old joint. Not bad. It's just not good. It's the best that you can do with a DDR3 motherboard. I got a liquid coolant. I got the MSI GTX 1060 Ti. Not Ti, 1060 6GB. I got this shit, you know, fans in the front, fans up top, all that shit. So the things that are here right now, we got the Asus motherboard, X370 Ryzen, for obviously Ryzen because I'm switching up. That's a good one. That's for DDR4. Speaking of DDR4, bam, these expensive motherfuckers. I got the Trident Z 8GB times 2 sticks. I got 4 of them for that cross thread. They also have LEDs in them, which is really cool. As you can see right now, they're all white and shit, but forget about that. So that will be 16 times 2 gigs. What's that? 32 gigs of storage. Sorry, I did not graduate high school. Give me a break. Next we got the fans. I like Thermaltake. These are expensive. I know you can get cheap ones, but I was like, if I'm gonna spend all this fucking money, I might as well get everything fucking decked out. I'm gonna be using the same liquid cooler, so I'm not gonna show you that. I got the wristband, you know, so I don't everything up. Thermal paste, don't need that. Right here though, I'm switching it up, guys. Since I'm getting all this new equipment, new processor and everything, I needed a better power supply. So we got the 850 watt gold edition. You know, gold's pretty good. It ain't platinum, but I was not trying to spend $300 on a power supply. But this will do. This will do everything I needed to do, plus some. I don't really care about the electric bill too much. That's heavy as a motherfucker, by the way. But anyways, we got the Ryzen 7. Yeah, we got that right there. AMD Ryzen 7 2700X. Not the best, definitely not the worst. It's good. It will do everything I need it to. But besides that, all I'm waiting on is a new case. I'm getting a brand new case, and I'm also getting a 1080 Ti from GTX, which is going to be putting out a lot more power. Okay, so this is it outside of the case. It's tempered glass all the way around. Here's the front right here. Here's the side, obviously. Back. This is this. And here's my old computer. Look how tiny that is compared to this one. It's huge. Everything's got this plastic right here. I fuck with that. I like that. I do like this feature. It's got its own swinging door and shit. So in here, we got room for fans down here. This is where my liquid coolant's gonna go. So I'm gonna take this out and move it over here to the third one, which will go right here. Up here on the ceiling, we got space for 1, 2, 3 fans. My hard drives and shit will go here. What is this? What is this? It's a box of some sort. What? Okay. Oh boy. Holy shit. Oh, okay. This is zip ties. Okay, so this is all the stuff you need for like your computer parts and stuff. Okay. It's like an LED shit. I'm not really sure. We got some Velcro. I have no idea. But okay, guys, so it's a day later. I took the top off and I put my 3 fans that I purchased separately up here for that exhaust. These are all LED. It's gonna look really, really, really cool when I get everything together. Right now I just have them, all the cords together like this onto this little, whatever the fuck this is. I don't really know what this is. But I also moved this back fan to the front right here. So now I got my 3 fans here, my 3 fans here, my liquid coolant's gonna go here, and I may put like a fan here for like my hard drive, but I don't know. I never needed one in my old computer, and I'm gonna be using the same hard drive, so I don't know. The only thing you guys really missed was, let me get all this shit out of here because I went to sleep. So the only thing you guys really missed is I put my power supply in, shoved the 1008 cords through the back, and then I screwed in my motherboard. That's the only thing you guys missed. It was boring, you know, it was just tedious. That's it for the easy part. This is a cool motherboard. It's got some lights here and shit. I think it's gonna look really nice with my new DDR4 and shit. But here's the problem, guys. That is the problem. This is the back of the PC, and I don't know. Okay, so this is my old computer, by the way. I took the radiator off right here. It's really dirty and shit. I'm gonna have to clean that up. Just making a huge mess in my room. This is a lot more than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, so I put my hard drive in here, and that's about it, because I don't know exactly where to go from here. I cleaned my radiator off a little bit. I gotta get another spray. This bitch is basically, it's still f***ing freezing cold, but yeah, I mean, the dirt shows up a lot more in the camera actually than like in real life. So, but got a new fan for that shit. I'm not really sure what to do. Okay, so I have shit connected. Stuff is in there. I don't really know. I'm just gonna keep going and see if it turns on. Right now I have my what is that? My G-Skill, my Trident Z's. These are the shit, man. These are not cheap. But they got awards and stuff. These are cool. They like glow up and stuff. Here's them right here. What's cool about these is this is easy, man. You just take these motherfuckers, pop them in, and it's beautiful. So I got one of them in. That took a lot of force. I had to kind of find the right groove for it. Hopefully this all works, because next is just the CPU and then turning it on, and hopefully everything's right, because if not, oh man, I'm not gonna know what to do. But let's skip a little bit in the future and see where it takes me. Okay, so I have about $250 worth of RAM put in there right now. That's 32 gigs of DDR4. I put one of them in upside down and I shoved it in there. Hopefully I didn't break the socket. I fixed it obviously, but I have no idea. Next, I guess we'll just go for the CPU. Alright, so we got our Ryzen 7. Out of the box. It comes with a cool fan. It's just I'm not gonna use it. It's got its cool little anti-fan, but it's not a liquid coolant. I like my liquid coolant right here. That shit's the bomb. It's the bomb. So, I'm just really just not happy because I know for a fact that this isn't gonna turn on. Look at this. That's beautiful. Is air coming out? Can't really tell. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. I got my 3 bitches right here. They change color in like in a cool way, you know. I bet I can change it. Now they like turning like purple and shit. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's easy to see from there. Really cool, really cool. I used a different fan for my radiator. My graphics card's in there. Let me see. Let's open it up. Let's see if everything's working correctly. I don't know why why those aren't lighting up. I just saw that. Why aren't those lighting up? These right here should be all rainbow and shit, but I don't know. I might have to look at the manual for that. But this, let's see if I can. Here we go. Ah. Ooh, okay. Turn that off. Blink in. Looks like a damn disco in here. Cool shit. Next test is to see if it like works. Apparently, from what I read, is that it turning on is a good sign. It means that everything is the way it should be. So I don't know. Maybe everything's good to go. Finally, after hours of messing with it and a help with a very good friend of mine, we got this to work. So I got these cool fans. It just looks so cool. Now that it's nighttime, you can really appreciate the coolness of this. So I had a lot of issues with the RAM. As you can see now, the RAM is fluctuating, being all cool and everything's all green. I got my motherboard in the background doing its thing. Everything looks like a disco ball in here. It really does. It's really cool to see. Right now I'm messing with BIOS. It's kind of being a bitch. Really all I got to do is that. Sorry for the hair. This has been really stressful trying to get this to work. But yeah, I just do that. I got to download all the new drives for the new motherboard because I didn't delete my hard drive like I said I was going to, because I thought that was just going to add a lot more stress than it had to be, but I don't know. But it looks really cool. The glass, everything looks sleek. I'm a real fan, and the stickers through the glass make it look even cooler. I couldn't have asked for something better. Everything is tempered glass. Super cool. The thing weighs a ton. No, Siri, shut up. The thing weighs a ton, but it's a beast. This is a huge computer. I'm super happy. And thanks again, Zach. I'm calling you out. You you saved me because I thought I was going to have to take this to a shop. There was just some RAM issues and stuff that you don't really get help with in the manual. So thanks again, Zach. Thanks again, Zach. Hi, how you doing? I hope your guys' honeymoon went through smoothly and all that. I'm gonna probably finish up BIOS and then finish the video off tomorrow when people aren't sleeping, so I can be loud in my normal self. You know, style my hair and shit. You know, all that good stuff. Hopefully, I can edit. I was having a lot of editing issues because my old processor just couldn't keep up, but now I got a monster processor. I got that Threadripper in there. Not the Threadripper. I had the Ryzen 7 2700 because the Threadripper was out of my price range. But I mean, a Ryzen 7. That's good. That's good. Really, all I need is to jump up to a 1080, but I don't need that. I sold a 1080, whatever. There's that, and then everything is now in 4K. It even changed my background screen, which I didn't know it would do that. But I really like this. I'm gonna keep it. And I mean, you can't beat that. 4K. I know my phone isn't doing it any justice, but that's in 4K, and I can tell. So that's it. I don't know if you guys want to see more kind of vlogs and stuff. I'm not going to be building any more PCs because that's not what my channel is about. But since I was doing a PC, I wanted to video record the experience. It was a cool experience. I'm glad it's over. I never want to do it again. I'm not cut out for that kind of shit. But everything's good to go, and I shouldn't have any more problems with my PC for the next couple of years, so that's all you can ask for. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow or the next day, whichever one.